How to create a financial safety net for unexpected costs. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. After a divorce, one of the smartest financial moves you can make is creating a safety net because life happens. Whether it's a car repair, medical bill, or a sudden job change, having a cushion in place gives you peace of mind and keeps small emergencies from becoming big setbacks. Start by setting a simple goal. Aim for an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses. If that sounds overwhelming, start smaller. Even $500 or $1,000 can make a huge difference when something unexpected pops up. The key is consistency. Set up automatic transfers to a separate savings account, ideally one that's not too easy to dip into. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill. Even $50 a month adds up over time. We worked with a client who started saving just $25 a week after her divorce. Within a year, she had over $1,200 in her emergency fund, which ended up covering unexpected dental work without going into debt. At Divorce 661, we go beyond paperwork. We help clients rebuild financially after divorce, offering tools, checklists, and budgeting support to create strong financial foundations, starting with an emergency fund. If you're navigating post-divorce life and want help getting your finances on track, visit Divorce661.com and schedule a free consultation. We'll help you build a plan to protect your future, handle surprises with confidence, and move forward stronger than ever.